Welcome to Single Serve in Excel. Today we're going to add the Developer tab to the ribbon. If you work with XML files, macros, or insert controls, you want to add the Developer tab to the ribbon. The first step is to click the File menu tab followed by the Options item. Select Customize the Ribbon option in the Excel Options dialog box. Then, select Developer by checking the box under Main tabs. Click OK to finish. And now you'll see the Developer tab between View and Help. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.